Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. This is Mr. Tambari at it again, aka Apple's Forex Academy. Today we are going to look at MT5 introduction. You'll be able to know and understand how to use MT5 in trading. This is for beginners, intermediate traders, and advanced traders. So today I'm going to run through the tabs and the different sections on this MT5. Okay, you can see my cursor here. This is 5. I'm only going to look at the most important things so that you can know exactly what to do. If you want to open a new chart on a pair, see new charts, you click the currency pair, major pairs. These are major pairs in Forex. These are energy pairs or energies. These are crypto. Okay, that's that for that. We are going to go straight. If you want to log into your account, this is where you go to log in. You tap it. You provide your account number. This is your account number. This is my own account number here. You put the password I was using creating the account. This is what we call server. The server on which you are trading, it will be specified by the broker to you. After then, you click login. You will hear the sound. So on the file menu, I think for now we will hold it there. You go to the view menu. The view menu, we go to tools bars, ensure that all these are ticked. Status bar is ticked, chart bar is ticked. Here symbol, this is where you add trading pairs to your market watch, to your chart. You can tap it. You can see all this. If you want to add any of this, I'll show you what to do. If I want to add any of them, these are metals, energies, crypto, Forex major pairs, Forex minor pairs. I think most of these have been added, but anyone you want to add to your chart, you just click here and come to show symbol. Then it will be added. You see it here. You see it here in the market watch window or section. That's it for that. So we're done for symbols. You go to depth of market. Don't worry about this. It's still going to show you some of the pairs, metals, Forex major pairs, energies, crypto, Forex minors that are here. So we go to market watch. Market watch is this window that you are seeing here. This is market watch. It's showing you the pairs, the bid price, ask price, and their daily percentages of increment or decrease. The bid price, let me quickly say this. This is USD card. The bid price simply means the price at which the buyer wants to sell. the buyer wants to buy, rather, while the ask price is a price the seller wants to sell, and this is the percentage difference. So it's like that to all the tradable assets here. We'll go back to view data window. This is not too serious, but let me add it. This is what we call data window. You can see it shows the current pair, the time frame, the date, time open, all that. That is what it shows here, but it's not that important, so I remove it. You will go to navigator. You should not also be scared so much about this. Navigator should not be that important for now. Okay, so we'll move on. Okay, sorry, this is navigator. Navigator is where you can also log into your account. So when you come to navigator, you see accounts, you see indicators, you see expert advisor, scripts, market, signal, and all that, VPS. What is important here is accounts. You can also log into your accounts here. If you have any account, any tradable account, you can log in here. The same way we did on the login of account on file menu. So you put your login, password, and server. So that's that. Indicators are some of the instruments or softwares developed by developers that help traders to know the direction of price. So indicators are classified into trend indicator, oscillators, volume indicators, B. Williams indicators, and market indicators. So any of these indicators we are going to use as time goes on, I will let you know. So we're done for that navigator. We'll come to, for now we'll leave out this. Still indicator under insert, you see indicators, they are still here. You can insert indicators on your charts using any of this. Then come to objects. If you want to draw a trend line, you can draw it from here, although it's still on the tab. You see it's still on the charts here. You want to draw a trend line, you choose it from there, which is still here. These are trend lines. If you want to draw a rectangle, you can still draw it from here. So that is that for inserts. Fibonacci is also here. Lines, vertical line, horizontal line, you just click on it, you see. So that is that for that. Then objects, charts. We go to charts. Here let me just go straight under charts. We have three kinds of chart. We have bar charts, candlestick, and live line charts rather. So what we're using here is line charts. It's candle chart rather. We're using candle charts. This is how candle charts looks like. This is bar charts, and this is line charts. Okay, so do not be confused. A candle chart looks like a candle. You see the wicks. We'll have this high, this wick at the top is called high. The wick below is called low. Why this is the body of a bullish candle. Now this is the closing of a bullish candle, and this is the opening of a bullish candle. For a bearish candle, let me use this as an example. This is also the high, this is also the low, being the wick, the low. But for a bearish candle, this place is the open of the body, this is the close of the body, and this is the ray body of the candle. So that's that. These are the three types of charts: bar charts, candle charts, line charts. So on charts, I think that is important. Here we'll come to time frames. There is what we call time frame. We have time frame also on this board here. We have 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes, 30, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly, monthly. It's also here. It's also here. We're going to teach you time frame when we come to analysis. Okay, chat. We still come here. These other ones I would not want to bother so much on it. This is zoom out, zoom in. Which is still the same feature here. You can magnify your charts view or also zoom out to minimize it. So depending on how you want to look at it. So for now we are done with this. I do not want to go that so deep. Now we're going to choose. We're not going to take anything on tools. For now is to explain the basics of MT5 so that you can know how to navigate it to some extent as a basic or intermediate trader. The strategy tester agent manager can be used to test run your strategy if you are to robot it. So that's what it's used for. Now we'll go to window cascade. You can cascade your window into forms. Let's say for now this is what we call cascade, but we are not after that for now. We exit this. So help, if you find help, you can go to this tab. So okay, we are done for that. This one is still your currency pairs. We'll come here. These are sub menus. This is not important. I think this show symbol is where you can add currency pairs still, which I've shown you. Once you add them and click on show here, it will show up in the market watch. Do not go here. This is for MetaQuotes language programming or editing. This is not also important. This is not also important for now. This is not also important for now. This is not also important for now. And this is for automated trading. Okay, this is important. This is where you click to place trade. So when you are placing a trade, let's say I'm on USD JPY, this is where you set your lot size. This is where you set your lot size, or where you use the minimum 0.001. 0.01, the minimum on all your asset trading. This is where we set the stop loss, which will be taught later on. And this is where we set the take profit. The take profit is what you're targeting to gain, while stop loss is the point that you said that if price goes against your analyzed direction, it should close your trade. So that's any amount of money you set for the month. So that is that for that. Then once you're done, if you are selling or buy, you tap any of these tabs. So that is what it is. Okay, now this is chart. This can be bar chart, candle chart, or line chart. Okay, zoom in, zoom out. This one helps you to free up your chart. You can drag your chart, but once it's placeholders, you do this to make your chart to be stable. This is the time frame. 1 minute, 5 minutes, time frame 15 minutes, time frame 30 minutes, time frame 1 hour, time frame. This time frame simply tells you that when you are on 1 hour time frame, it takes 1 hour for each of these candles, no matter how small. One of these candles, we are between 4 hours and 15 minutes. But when we go into the analysis, so it's your cursor bar on your down, sorry, the number on your right computer is on vertical, is vertical, vertical. As you can choose. Currency is here. Let's say we want to insert Australian on the chart window. You tap it. You see this. How do you set up your chart to look like this on desktop? You go to the chart, right click on it, you go to properties. Under common, you choose candlesticks charts. Only under show, you untick show tick volumes, untick show grid, tick show period separators, and then you see show period separators. These are the dotted vertical lines. This one separates the night. It is a separation of each day. I'm going to show you on the chart still. Here is the color of the chart. You go here, choose black and white. So then you okay. So this is separator we inserted. From here, from one separator to the other marks a day. So from here to here is a day. This one is weekend. Most of the weekend you see two separator lines very close to each other. So here we go to, that is how to insert a live chart on your chart window. Okay, we go to where we call terminal. This terminal is also your trading terminal is also on your view. Let me see where we can find it. It's also on your view, or you use Control T. Control T. Look at it. This toolbox trading terminal. When you have a running trade, you'll be seeing it under this trade. And then the close positions, the trade you have closed, you see it under history. Okay, so this is how the trading chart looks like. But what we are going to be doing when it comes to analysis is going to be here on this chart. It is here that we are going to do everything about analysis to try to know where the price is at a given point in time. This is the price line, this pencil line that is horizontal, and this is the calibration of price on this asset, Australian dollar JPY. So what we do in Forex is to know the direction of price. Is price going to go up or going to go down? So we are going to use technical analysis to determine the upward direction of price or downward direction of price. So when we get to that, we are going to teach that and you are going to enjoy it too. Thank you and God bless you. If you have any question, you can put it in the comments section of this video and you will get more answers and assistance. This is a free tutorial, it's not a paid tutorial, therefore do not hesitate to contact and get back to us anytime you are in need. Thank you.